What is a spirituality? Purify your eyes and see the pure world. Your life will fill with radiant forms. By Rumi. Spirituality is remembering the truth within us. It is that life force that exists within you, me, and in all life forms. That force within us that breathes naturally, our breath. The essence that keeps us alive in the physical body and keeps us well. When we are unwell, we are not allowing our essence to flow. Spirituality is knowing I am not my body, mind, or emotion. To understand as a spiritual being is to know I am here on earth to have a human experience. Thus, spirituality is the essence of all creation, and limitless is my nature. Detachment is the heart of spirituality. Detachment from all forms, things, ideas, and concepts about life and everything. Let it all go, and you will see yourself as you truly are. Not the illusions of how you were brought up to believe about yourself here on earth. Spirituality is the ability to look at your life in any moment and see what's pulling you down, and then to give the mind the proper activity so you can get your life work done, your real life purpose. Spirituality is letting your mind, ego just be. It's about simplicity, not complication. It's understanding the concept that we are one with everything in the universe. Spirituality is the concept where your mind creates ego to trick you into believing that you are not your true self and that you are something else separate from your true being. Part of my book, Awakening Not Allowed, Sudi Burnett.